It's me, back at the helm.
This right here is why we love living on a sailboat. Being gifted the most beautiful sunsets that we have ever experienced is just one of the benefits of living on a sailboat. We had no idea what we were in for when we moved onto our boat at anchor in Dunedin, Florida. Today, we wouldn't change it for the world.
We are lifting up anchor here in Titusville, and we are up. We gotta go.
This week, we leave Titusville to head south, rediscovering the positives of living on a sailboat at anchor. Come along and get a peek at the Space Coast Monster, meet some locals, go buddy boating, hear beginner sailor stories, and see one of the best sunsets on the water yet.
So I jumped on our dinghy and popped it. I mean, like, where were we? Sarasota? Oh no, Fort Pierce. Oh gosh. We are still battling these holes in our dinghy.
I know. While dealing with the outboard may not seem like a benefit of sailing, look at these views that I get to work with.
What you doing?
Cleaning spark plug.
Cool. That's a hack.
Yeah. You can just use a butane torch to just basically burn the shit out of it.
Cool.
And that cleans it.
I could kind of smell it.
Yeah, and you can, it's all like that tip is white again, or not the tip, but like that white part is white.
Oh wow.
The tip is like silver.
Works. Cool.
Yeah, didn't look too bad to begin with, but
just to make it extra spick and span.
Yeah, I've been wanting to do it this way for a long time, but we haven't had a torch.
Yeah. Cool. Now we do. Yeah, so I called a guy about the dinghy, about Thingy our dinghy, and he said send some pictures. So I sent over some pictures, but we sent the pictures to him thinking, you know, hey man, he's a pro, he could do it. And he wrote back and said, ain't no way and beep. ain't gonna happen. So we'll just keep pumping her up every few days. We're gonna just keep her out of the water unless we're using her basically, and we hope we'll just keep her afloat until something happens. We don't know what, but something.
Yeah, I got one more repair idea.
Cool.
But, yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Fingy. I'm sorry. Yeah, we'll be able to get around.
And she's off. Another reason we love this life. Hard work often pays off exponentially. Okay, it's settled in. At first look, it was all lifted up, like tilted all over.
Oh no. Good morning from Life on the Anchor. Today we are re-bedding our hatches, and I thought this would be like a at least kind of easy job for me to do by myself, but if I did it alone it would take like 3 days. So Damien's out here helping me, and we're going to first take all this stuff out. See all this yuck? People just kept gluing over it, so we're gonna take it all out. Well, alright, next step's to clean all this up. It should be kind of easy. Damien's already started it. Looks good. Yay! Oh my gosh.
Oh, sweet. Wow. That's dope.
I tried to film it. I made that. You did? You actually made that? Oh man, you did a great job. So your first bridge.
Yes, so we bought the boat and we're coming up the waterway. We didn't realize there was a drawbridge, and we see this bridge open and close for a boat in front of us. And we're like, oh no, what do we do? So we met a guy that had just finished his circumnavigation that was next to us, and I had his business card, and I called him and I said, hey Jeff, we're coming up on this bridge that moves. What do we do?
She literally looked at Kyle, and all Kyle did was grab the radio and be like, "It's your boat." She's like, "What do I say?"
Captain?
Yes.
And I was like, yes?
So excited.
Right?
Yeah. And I was like, Captain, I was like, this is Mama Jan coming through.
Like you knew what you were doing.
Coming through whether you open it or not, baby. I'm coming through.
We're leaving today. We're actually going up to the marina again, and we're gonna pump out and then get some water, run an errand, and we're meeting up with friends, and they're gonna buddy boat with us down the river. But still, we've never done it before, so it should be fun. It's me, back at the helm. We are lifting up anchor here in Titusville, and we are up. So we gotta go. See ya. Time to head to Port Canaveral. Peace. Bye, Pier 220. See y'all later. One last approach to Sea Dock at Titusville Marina before we head out. Better fill up. We're out of here. He pulls like a little pit bull. Over here in the buddy boat. Ah, first buddy boat. Bye. Does it count?
Sure.
You can let go, hon.
Letting go of the lines felt like it was real. Like our new adventure south was really beginning.
Okay, Janelle. Yeah.
It's alright, pull that one in.
David, get to work. You got a lot of lines.
Just push him.
Tell him, Captain. Just tell him.
Just push him off.
Hell no, because he ain't getting on.
Bye. We'll see you guys on the World Wide Web. Yes. Miami.
You too.
All right.
Hold down, baby.
Say bye, guys. He's got to put his life jacket on. Happy birthday! Yeah, we did a Betty boat.
I feel like I'm 26. Plus some of you.
Nah, I'm about there, about 26, 27.
You don't look down right.
I couldn't be. There they go. Here we go. Everybody had a drink in their hands. They all were like, cheers! They didn't say cheers, but like half of them literally put their drink up to the side. That's so cool.
Copy that. Those storms, winds, and repairs don't sound like the perfect life. The life we led on land was just as imperfect and a lot less impactful. Like this lady, fishing in her moo-moo, who captured our hearts in just a few moments.
Yeah, me too. But it's crazy. I never knew any of this existed. Yeah. Look at this one. What is this?
It's like an army thing.
Wow.
Like that thing comes down and then you drive shit off of there.
Whoa.
Like that ramp in the front. Yeah, you pull up to the shore where that ramp comes down and you drive something.
Weird.
That thing comes down and it rolls off.
Wow. Like a mini ferry.
About 20 minutes from now.
Thank you.
We love our sailing life for the seclusion and privacy, the adventure, for the views from the water, for the overall sense of accomplishment after a long day's sail, for friends and teachers, for buddy boating and rafting up, and for the cool evening breezes.
I think it is.
We love living on a boat for the sunsets, for the boat stories, for waving at strangers hip deep in the river fishing for dinner, for the shouts of woohoo constantly heard by those enjoying the water, for the sunrises, for seeing what it looks like under a bridge, and of course, for Space Coast monster sightings.
Can you get Pimo? Hurry, Daddy! Get me, Daddy! We made it. We're here. Port Canaveral. We're not that tired yet, but we did have a long day. Damien tinkering. Then we'll probably just sit outside a little bit. It's a little cool. We got rained on the way. And then you know, make sure our position's all good, and then we'll go to sleep. But hey, we did it! Probably, I don't know, 20 miles or so today. Not too much, but a little something. We're out of Titusville.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be there forever?
Me, back at the helm. Neutral. We are going back to Coco. We're gonna park and repack the rudder while we're out over there. But yeah, Coco, where it all went down. Yeah, here we go. Back at Ryan's Pizza. Scene of the accident.
Back. You want to look at it? Yeah. Become a part of the crew at Patreon and get instant access to our photo vault of over 500 images and our eternal gratitude. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.